कहीं सुना था, न जाने किस उल्लू के पट्टे ने कहा था कि ऑपोजिट्स अट्रैक्ट।
नैना, तुम्हें पता है मैं हैप्पी बर्थडे भी आउट ऑफ ट्यून गाता हूँ।
आज वैलेंटाइंस डे है, कुछ तो आइडिया दे यार।
यार जय, तुझे पता है मेरा 2 बार डिवोर्स हो चुका है।
We broke up.
क्यों?
मैंने स्लाइटली और परफेक्ट ऑप्शन को पहचान लिया नैना। Being single. Sorry, what was the question again?
When the whole pitch of the film is this your story and can you relate to it?
Naina is me. The fun-loving part, yes. The happy-go-lucky nature, yes. Non-teary, yes. But the breakups, no.
Now, if I talk to you about Naina, you'll think I'm praising myself.
My Masis, my mom, the cast of this film, Zayed and Dia, because I've known them the longest, my friends, my parents, my younger brother.
I don't think there's anything picked up on drinking or something, so I'm safe.
I haven't spared anyone. They're all there in the firing line, and when they're watching, they will know.
Look at that.
I'll tell you what I've done. I've finally got a life insurance policy because my friends and my aunts are gonna kill me. They're just gonna kill me because I've taken all their crazy quirks and I've put them into characters.
We'll change the script.
You know, when we talk about Love Breakup Zindagi being a relatable script, you can say it's relatable because we've drawn a lot from personal experience.
Well, yeah, I mean, I think there is a character called Pallavi in the film. I see a lot of my mother's elder sister in that character. It's basically a very control freak character.
All my quirky habits have been picked up and put into all the irritating characters in the film.
Can I have one Pepsi with lots of ice? Sure.
फिर से aerated drinks. Excuse me, can you make that an iced tea, please?
My OCD has been planted into Radhika.
Cut your fruit this way, fold your shirt that way, put it away like that.
My love for Urdu poetry has been planted into Sheila.
We have this friend, Umang's character is completely modeled on.
कुछ नहीं किया नैना, because मैंने उसका SMS पढ़ लिया था. And you tell me, SMS को MMS बनते आजकल कितना टाइम लगता है?
I feel hated if I reveal out the name right now.
And Riya has worked on the film. She's done the hair and she's done an outstanding job. And I owe her a lot of dinners.
Yeah, I think he's picked up an unstable mind of a lot of youngsters who are into multiple, like quick changing relationships and stuff like that, in a hard space for a bit and then out of it pretty soon after.
I don't think I relate completely with any one character. I think there's bits of people which are very real and which one's gone through. So the story as a whole is something that feels very real.
What I love about Naina is that she's maternal, much like I am.
I would say at a personal level, I have like shades of both my character and also Naina's character.
मुझे नहीं लगता है मैं किसी कैरेक्टर से रिलेट करता हूँ.
आज करेंगे वो संगीत में partners.
I'm a 4.
Oh,
I'm 4. इसका मतलब तुम 3 हो?
correct, मैं 3 हूँ.
2 years ago, I was married. और तुम सिंगल तितली की तरह यहाँ वहाँ उछल रहे थे.
I'm closer to Govind than any other character in the film, in terms of his philosophy and thought. So I was very happy to sort of be there. And I think a part of it is also, I think that Sheila's character is interesting for me.
What is with this शादी thing? और भी हमें ज़माने में शादी के सिवा?
Yeah, probably Sheila. I think yeah, because I was in no hurry to get married, and I did get married to who I thought I should have gotten married.
Because she's a woman who's not apologetic about her life. She's not married, she's 38 years old, but she seems like she has a life.
And I continue to stay married to him. And yeah, I think Sheila, definitely.
So those two, Sheila and Govind.
अगले 2 साल में मुझे अपना पहला बच्चा चाहिए था. कहाँ से होगा?
In real life, I'm probably more like the other female characters in the film.
I think मेरी घंटी बज रही है.
What are you saying? What's interesting about life in general is that you will always find a little bit of yourself in someone else. Okay. And there is always common ground. There is always something that binds people together. Whether it is experience or emotion or characteristic, you will always find something about yourself in someone else.
क्या चीज है